Hello dear students, welcome to my online class. I am Sonia Akhtar, lecturer English, Government Harganga College, Munshigঞ্জ. Dear students, today I will discuss report. I will discuss some short questions related to report. Suppose you may have seen a road accident, so you can write a report on it. Somewhere may set fire and one can write a report on that incident. Or suppose you have enjoyed a picnic recently, so you can write a report on it. Or you might have done a course on computer, you can write a report on it. But in writing a report, you have to keep in mind some rules and you have to know how to write a report. So dear students, today I will discuss some short questions for writing part 1. These are the questions. Listen to me very carefully and attentively. The first question is, what is report? The first question is, what is report? So, report means giving a description of something that one has heard, seen, done and studied, etc. As I have said earlier. As I have said that you may see a road accident, so you can write a report on it. Definitely you have to know how to write a report. You have to know the rules. It is obvious. So, report means giving a description of something that one has heard, seen, done and studied, etc. Question number 2. Mention the different kinds of reports. Mention the different kinds of reports. So, report mainly two types. Report is mainly two types. These are number 1, news report. Number 1 is news report and another one is general report. Number 3 question. Question number 3. What are the essential parts of a report? Essential parts of a report. So, the essential parts of a report are a short heading. Heading should be short. Okay. A short heading. Number 2, an introduction. Of course, it should have a introduction. It should have an introduction. Okay. Number 3, the body. The main description. The main part is called body. And number 4, conclusion. The ending is called conclusion. The ending sentences are called conclusion. Okay. So there are, we can say the essential parts of a report are a short heading, an introduction, the body and number 4, conclusion. So the next question is, what is a news report? As I have said earlier that there are mainly two types of reports we have, and number 1 is news report and another one is general reports. So what is news report? News report is a type of report that delivers information relevant to an happening locally, nationally and internationally. Listen to me attentively. I am saying again. A news report is a type of report that delivers information relevant to an happening locally, nationally and internationally. And it is written in formal style. Of course, it is written in formal style as it is a news report. And impersonal in tone, and its tone is impersonal. Of course, its tone is impersonal because it is a news report and it should be written in formal style. Okay, so the news report is a type of report that delivers information relevant to an happening locally, nationally and internationally. And as it is a news report, its style is formal and its tone should be impersonal. It should not be personal. Okay. Next question. How many parts are there in news report? So dear students, now the question is, how many parts are there in news report? So there are some important parts of a news report, and these are number 1, title. Of course, there should have a title in news report. Next, the name of the reporter. In a news report, there should have a name of the reporter. Okay. And number 3, date and place. In news report, date and place must. Of course, you have to put the date and place name. Number 4, content. And content is the main part of this report. You have to write a content for a news report, and this is the main part actually. Now, what is an executive summary or abstract in a report? What is an executive summary or abstract in a report? So, executive summary or abstract belongs to prefatory parts of a report. Prefatory parts of a report, mainly, it is a concise presentation of the required elements of the report. So, dear students, it is the concise presentation of the required elements of the report. Okay. Now, what is a business report? What is a business report? So, business report is a kind of report that deals with business affairs. Obviously, it is a business report, so it deals with the business affairs is called business report, of course. So, a report that deals with business affairs is called business report. Okay. Now, what are the basic things a reporter is to follow while writing a report? So, what are the basic things? There are some basic things. It is a report. It is a formal thing. So, it should have some basic things which a reporter is to follow while writing a report. So, these things are: a reporter has to consider the following points. Listen to me very attentively. Number 1, a short eye-catching heading. You know, a report should have a title, and here you have to know that the heading should be eye-catching. It should be short. It should be short. It should be eye-catching. So, a short eye-catching heading. Number 2, relevant information. A reporter should have to keep in mind that the information should be relevant. Information should be relevant. So, the point is relevant information. Number 3, description of a factual. That means the description of a factual means the incident should be true. It can't be false. Okay. Number 4, impartiality. There should have no partiality. The reporter should be impartial. Next one is passive voice. In a report, the voice should be passive. The reporter should be passive here in writing a report. Next one is simple and easy language. A reporter should use a very simple and easy language so that it may be very understandable to all kinds of people, all class of people. Next question is, what do you mean by executive summary? What do you mean by executive summary? So, this is the answer. Listen to me. Executive summary means the main points of a report. Executive summary is the main points of a report. So, dear students, hopefully you have understood these short questions and hopefully you have remembered it. So, dear students, that's all for today. See you in the next class. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.